Welcome to How To with Husqvarna, where we show you how to take care of some of your favorite Husqvarna products. In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the deck on your Husqvarna zero-turn mower. Before you begin, refer to your owner's manual for details including the personal protective equipment needed to service your Husqvarna zero-turn mower. If you need to locate an owner's manual, please visit Husqvarna.com. Make sure the park brake is set and the ignition key is removed before performing a deck adjustment or removal. Removing the deck is easy and useful for deck maintenance. It's also helpful to clean the deck, replace the belt, and sharpen or replace the blade. Leveling the deck is also a great way to ensure a quality cut, and we'll show you how to do that later in this video. You'll need the following tools: gloves, safety glasses, a pair of pliers for cotter pin removal, a 5/8" wrench or socket to remove the blade, a 1/2" and 7/8" wrench or socket to remove the mandrel, a 7/16" wrench or socket to replace the idler pulley, a double zero grease and grease gun if the mandrel shafts can be greased, an oil funnel, a blade stop tool if needed, a piece of 2x4, a pry bar, or someone to help lift the deck for installation, a 3/4" wrench or adjustable wrench to level the deck, a measuring device for setting the deck pitch, level, and height. Park your zero-turn mower on a stable, level surface. Note that zero-turn mowers have an access hatch above the deck to make the job easier. Remove the tension eye bolt to remove the belt from around the engine pulley or clutch. Note the location of and remove the cotter pins, washers, and through pins from the deck lift arms. Note the location of and remove the cotter pins, washers, and through pins from the rear deck hangers. Slide the deck out from under the ZTR and prop it up against a wall for easy access. Clean the deck with a broom, brush, or hose. Check the pulleys to make sure they spin easily and replace any that bind or are damaged. Check the blades for wear. Sharpen or replace them if needed, and be sure to balance them. If you're replacing the mandrels and the holes are not threaded, use the self-tapping bolts. If the mandrels have grease zerks, apply a few pumps of grease to them. Make sure the belt is routed correctly before putting the deck under your ZTR. Once you slide the deck under your ZTR, attach the front hanger, attach the rear hangers, attach the deck lift arms. Reattach the belt around the engine pulley and clutch. Check and note the maximum height for your ZTR. Put the deck in the highest cutting position, not the traveling position. Put on safety glasses and use compressed air on the tire chuck PSA gauge and set tire pressure to the PSI recommended in the owner's manual. Turn the blades side to side. Use the measuring stick to measure at the cutting tips of the blades to determine which way the deck needs adjusting. Then adjust as needed. After making adjustments, recheck both sides for level and repeat as needed. After leveling side to side, turn the blades front to back. Use the measuring stick to check the blades at the tips at the front and rear. The tip of the blade at the front of the machine should be 3/8 to a 1/2" lower than the rear to create proper airflow and a beautiful cut. Some machines have an adjuster on the front hanger. Others will need to be adjusted by turning the two rear adjusters at equal increments so that the side-to-side level is not upset. Once you've completed all the service procedures, run a test for a few minutes. Engage the blades and take it for a drive to ensure that everything works like it should. Double-check the oil level, then top it off as needed. Clean up your machine and workstation. We hope this video helped you understand how to properly service your Husqvarna ZTR. Remember, proper maintenance will help you maximize the performance and extend the life of your Husqvarna ZTR. To learn more about keeping all your equipment on the cutting edge of performance, check out all our How To with Husqvarna videos online. And thanks as always for choosing Husqvarna.